Good morning, guys. Sorry, I just got an anxiety for a second. Cause I woke up, I see this. I didn't know it's gonna happen, literally. I think I'm under the severe thunderstorm. That means I'm getting tornado warning, guys. It looks pretty bad. Look how kind of dark that is. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I had to go to a different window. See what the heck is going on. Be right back. That's a quick, but it looks darker than I expected. I'll go out there and look at it. Well, I went outside and I didn't even hit the record. Like, play. I forgot to press it. It looks like it's not transforming too much. Give us a warning. Why we're not even getting sirens go off? The winds was picking up. I went outside. What the heck? The camera can't pick up. This is so stupid. I had to look at myself for a second. Guys, it's literally like... I guess it just kinda... Still hearing I just checked the weather. No, seriously, it's actually doing that. Why is it doing that early? I woke up and looked, and because I heard a lot of noises. If it looks bad, get my friends get hold of. I'll make sure. Stupid stuff. I'll make sure Ryan Hall see this and Max or y'all bot. I don't know if they will know about that. I had to look at see what that is right now, and I didn't pull up the weather app real quick, but I don't know what's actually going on, but I had to move my stuff because it keeps touching me, bro. I don't know if that gives me an anxiety or not. It was flashed that bad. I might keep you guys updated for sure. So let me pull up my WeatherWise app on my tablet real quick. Let's see what it's doing right now, I think someone just hit in St. Clair County 9 minutes ago. It looks like something wasn't even there that but sounds like it's really close. Like, guys, I'm not really joking. Okay, let's see. It doesn't look like it. It says watch. Why is this Norman? Why are they saying that to us? It says St. Louis. We ain't even live in Oklahoma, bro. It's only like 6:42, we believe, right now, but it says it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. If not, we'll change to 6 p.m. I have to make sure it doesn't hit to the right now. Mate. I'm a little tired, guys. I know it's gonna be that today. I'm glad I warned you. Why? St. Louis is down there. You can literally see it right there. That you can see if you guys live Befalto. No, why it says Hamill on it. Something like that. Edwardsville, Glencairn, Highland, Granite City. Down in if you guys live St. Clair, O'Fallon, Caseyville, East St. Louis, and Centerville. That's what it is. Wood River included. Let me go look. If you guys live Troy, Collinsville, and Pouton Beach. If you guys live in Madison and St. Clair, let me know. And I'll take a look at it. I don't know how live camera works, because I don't think I have one. Okay, I'll give you guys update, and if it gets worse, I'll have to take a video again. Because everybody will know I'm getting started soon. I need to get less sleep than usual. Okay, I do get off now. I'll let you know. Peace.